So just something a little bit different this week, where we've been doing little snippets throughout the week. So we've been building our new workshop, and what we're basically going to do is just put all the snippets together of all the little bits and pieces that have happened through this week. Let us know in the comments what you think. Should we do it again next week, or is it a load of crap? And let's not do it again. Let's see. This morning's vlog, gonna do the 365 challenge. So this is episode 1, or number 1. This is the morning. We are on, or I am on, the new roof of our new workshop. So this is our progress so far. What I'm going to do is jump on a bit later on and then sort of see how far. What my plan is today is to try and get, if I can get the other workers going properly, is to get the rest of this side roof finished off and then start on the opposite side. So that is today's plan. What I'm going to do is at about lunchtime jump back on, do a little update, and hopefully by then we'll be towards the end of this section here. So that's the challenge. This is the 365 challenge that I'm doing with the motorhome man Jason Reynolds, and hopefully Shane from Wee Bernie Caravan, but I'm not sure about that, so we'll see. So it's not looking too bad. About 2.5 hours, 3 at the most. Managed to finish off the first section of roof, so we're going to move on, get the other section. We're doing a 365-day challenge with Jason, so we're going to be posting 3 shorts per day for the next year, and we're just going to cover all the things that we're doing. And today, obviously, I'm doing the roofing. So let us know in the comments what you think. Do you want to see more of this sort of stuff, or are we fiddling in the wind, as it were? We're going to move over to the other side now and get that far section of roof done. Unfortunately, some of the wood has bowed quite a bit because it's been out in the weathers for longer than it should have been, one reason and another. But hopefully we can get it looking somewhere near. In a second we'll just have a look from the ground and see what it's looking like down there too. And we've now got some proper roofing sheets. I had to go out this morning and pick up some proper roofing sheets. Found as we'd got the siding or the roof sections on the side sections of the roof on, that actually the roof lights that I'd ordered weren't going to be long enough, and also there was if they'd have had more overhang we could have probably used them if they were big enough, but they just weren't matching up with the original panels. So I've been out this morning, picked up some proper roof lights. I've got to cut them all down, but hopefully they're going to fit and we can crack back on again. So we're going to get back on, get the rest of the roof finished off, and then try installing the roof lights. Just one more panel to go. Well, I say just one more panel, and then there's the roof lights all in the middle, so still a fair old way to go. But I think the roof has took us 2 and a bit days so far. Luckily the wind hasn't been too bad, so I'll try and do a little video when we start getting some of the roof panels on. Good morning! On the way to drop the little off to school, and I thought I'd just check in on the barn because we got it completed, all the roof done yesterday. So scissor lift goes back today, so just in the nick of time. The weather tried to stop us. A little bit on the front just to finish off, so I've got about 5 or 6 panels just in the front section here, and then obviously waiting for our roller shutter door. So we're going to do an update this afternoon, back in work. It's a bit of a rest today, so thank goodness. So we're going to do some videos, and they're going to be coming out over this next week, so keep an eye out for those, and we'll do an update this afternoon too. So we've got a floor repair going on. So it's got a lino floor. So what we tend to do is, if we've got a bit of bounce in the floor, is we'll actually do it from underneath. So you can see on the floor here, it's been marked out every 4 inches roughly. And then what he does is he injects glue up into the floor, bungs it, and then he'll do all the holes within the floor until they all start coming out. He'll then go inside the caravan, double check that he's not put too much glue in there, and then it'll just get finished off, sanded down, and then repainted underneath, so it would look just completely normal. But that is how we do a floor repair if it's got the lino floor down. It's fixed! We fixed it! It was so easy as well, I can't believe I didn't think of it before. So thanks for everyone letting us know that I'd done the flag wrong, which I knew I had, but now I fixed it. Look at that, as soon as we start to get a bit of sun, I know we're pretty much 99% charged, but it doesn't half make a difference. It was 99 hours before, and it's 30 watts of power coming in there, just a slight bit of sun. It doesn't half make a difference. So that was a quick compilation, I'll get my words out, of all the things that sort of happened in just little snippets. Obviously we've been getting our workshop done, so we'll do a little bit of an update as we get a bit further on with that. We're back in work this week, so we've got a lot of different things going on. There's a few more snippets that we've done today. We've got a few more videos that are going to be coming out over this week. So let us know what your thoughts of this little compilation of the little snippets are. If you think we should do it again, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to drop us a comment, please do so. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.